Hi, I'm Patricia from Trisha's Lovely Creations, and today I want to share a tip with you. These are my Pearl X mica powders, and I have them on a low shelf, so I have to bend down and see what I got. And sometimes you know what the color looks like on black and white clay, and sometimes you don't, unless you do it a lot. So I'm going to take black and white clay, roll it out on a thin setting, cut circles, cut them in half for black and white on each side, then in pearling powder, and glue them to the lids. That way I know what color I'm going to get when I use it on what clay. So I'm going to get started on that now, and I'll show you what it looks like as I progress. Okay, I just wanted to show you real quick how I was doing this. Splitting them up, putting them on here, so you know how to do that if you want to do this too. Just cut them and then stick them in with the other half that I had cut. So I cut it, cut it in half, and stick them in there. And when I get this done, I will apply the powder along with the name writing with a Sharpie marker. I'll put that on there too, so I know what goes to what. But I just wanted to show you how I was cutting them out and piecing them together. Okay, and I'm going to show you real quick how I'm going to do it. Here I've got Duo Red Blue, and I got me a Q-tip. Gently dip in there, real gently, and I'm going to cover both the white and the black. That way I can see exactly what it's going to look like on white and black clay. There we go. That's all there is to it. Then I will write it down so I know exactly what I'm using. I think it was Duo Red Blue. Come on. There we go. So when I bake it and I come back to it, I know what goes where. And then all I gotta do is glue them down to the lids. So I'll be back when I'm a little farther. We're about ready to put it in the oven. That's all there is to it. Okay, and I got them all done, and now I'm ready to pop them in the oven right on my tile. I got everything written out so I'll know what one they go on when they get done. And I'll be back to show you how I'm going to do that. Okay, now they're all baked, and I just need to let them cool for a little bit. And then I'll start popping them off and gluing them on my tops. I'll be back. Okay, now they've cooled a little bit, so I'm ready to start gluing them on. So I got my E6000. Got me a toothpick. Sorry there for a minute, I lost my train of thought. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the tip. Flip it over. Put some glue there. Okay. Drop it on there. Push it down, hold it for a little bit. There we go. And now I know what color it is before I even have to read the label. So that this don't wipe off, I'm going to touch it up with some my Pledge multi-surface, and that way it'll protect it from getting all wiped off. That's all there is to it. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.